KVS has introduced 3 days workshop on phonics to develop reading ability to primary children, especially the children those who are studying first and second standard. Teach them young so that they won't leave even when they become adult. That is the proverb. In this regard, I like to tell a story. Once there was a teacher. We all know that teacher will be teaching for all the children, but some children will be needed as a special attention. So such children the teacher used to call and teach them, and also the teacher will give the more importance to the children. One day the teacher called a particular boy and she wanted to teach some new words. She told electricity. The boy again and again he told electricity, electricity. The teacher is saying electricity. Again the boy is telling electricity. Then she changed another word. Okay, now you tell me simplicity. Again he said simplicity. He said simplicity. Again he said simplicity. Then again she changed another word, velocity. He told velocity. The teacher got frustrated and immediately the teacher called the boy's parent and informed, see, I am taking lot of effort for your child, but he is not picking anything. Then the father said, Madam, his capacity is only that much, what can I do? Then the teacher was so shocked. What, boy is also like that and the father is also like that, what to do? I must take this matter to the principal. Then the teacher went to the principal and told, Sir, I taught the boy some words. He is saying electricity, he is saying electricity. For simplicity, he is saying simplicity. And I am teaching velocity, he is saying velocity. I called the parent and I told, and the parent is saying his capacity is like that. Then the principal told, Madam, please don't make it publicity. The teacher almost fainted. It is only for a joke. Okay. Now the KVS has introduced the phonics workshop for the primary teachers to develop reading ability. Phonics, children will get how to pronounce the words when they are young itself. Now I am going to show you a few activities how it will improve their phonics and reading ability. Let us see now. Children always like to have something attractive. So we cannot teach anything through orally. So we should prepare some TLM material so that the children will get interest and they will learn. So now I have prepared this wheel like words starting with ka sound. Cart, cash, can, car, cat, cab, cat, car, cane, car, cane, calm, call, camp, cough, cave, cart, cash, can. See, by repeating the words again and again, children can understand the sound, what sound is used. C-A, cart, can. So every day when we hang it in the class, children whenever they get free time, they can take and they can read and they will get the word easily. Let me go to the next one. Word starting with BR. Brother, bridge, Brazil, bright, brick, brave, brain, broke, broom, brush, brown, bread, bring, bride, brand, break. So when we say the word, then and then we can tell the meaning also. So easily children can understand what sound is used. B, bra, break, bra, B. Now shall we go for the third activity? Word starting with P. Pet, ped, peg, pen, pure, peak, peace, peak, peel, pune, peach, peace, pencil, pebble, rose, peacock, pet. So P sound. Easily children will understand all the words starting with person. Now the fourth one, SH, ish sound. Shake, short, shirt, share, sheep, shade, shell, shall, shy, she, show, short, shoe, shop, ship, shirt, shake, short, shift, share, sheep, shade, shell, share. So ish sound. Easily children can understand this. Now words ending with ing. Drinking, watching, going, talking, reading, selling, sleeping, walking, jumping, eating, buying, cooking, crying, writing, looking, waiting, drinking, watching, going, talking. Now 3-letter words. Let us see now. Sound. Words ending with UND. D sound. Found, bound, round, pound. Words ending with ATE. Late, date, rate, mate, friendship, hate. Now words ending with IN. Rain, main, coin, vain, gain. For a little higher class, we can make the TLM like that. Words ending with less, endless, worthless, valueless, sweetless, helpless, friendless, aimless, truthless, painless, homeless, careless, useless, wireless, hopeless, shapeless. it will improve their vocabulary, and also they can learn more words. Also, when they read again and again, they can learn the spelling also. Now, words ending with ness: witness, illness, fitness, goodness, boldness. As the papers are more attractive, children will be very much interested to learn this. Oneness, coolness, sadness, politeness, hotness, foolishness, forgiveness, brightness. Okay. Now, words ending with ly sound. Okay. Let us see now. Brightly, strongly, suddenly, sudden plus ly, suddenly, lovingly, cleverly, constantly, eagerly, rarely, friendly, silently, pleasantly, actively, quietly, neatly, clearly, slowly, fondly. Like that we can add as many words as possible. It will improve their child's vocabulary, and also children will be very much interested to read, and they will learn more words by using the attractive TL. Bye.